To scan your passport in the eID-Me app, ensure the following conditions are met. If you have a passport cover, remove it. Open your passport to the photo page. Ensure your photo page and camera lens are clean. Ensure there's adequate lighting and no glare. Select Scan Photo Page and center the photo page in the outline. Review the scan of your passport's machine-readable zone. Once confirmed, select Continue. Follow the written instruction and animation to scan your passport chip. Different passports have different chip locations. You may need to place your phone on the inside data page, inside back cover, or outside back cover. The instruction and animation in your app shows you where to place your phone. If you have a pre-2024 Canadian passport, close it and place it with the back face up. Place your phone on your passport and select Scan Passport. If nothing happens, slide your phone up and place the center of your phone on your passport here. If you have a Canadian passport issued in 2024 or after, open it to the inside data page. If you have a US passport, open it and place your phone on the inside back cover. Hold your phone steady against your passport for 3 seconds. Once scanning is complete, you will see your passport photo and passport information in your app. If you run into any issues with passport scanning, select the contact support link or select the question mark help icon to send us an email.